Hi everyone, it's Lloyd from Mass Optimizer. Just wanted to take you through a quick video on how we can download the software and install it and then reset the license key. So once you have purchased or subscribed to the 7-day free trial from the Get 7 Days Free here, so simply click on the subscribe button. What will happen is you get 7 days free, completely unrestricted to all the features. After your 7 days are over, your subscription will automatically start. The first payment is $84 and then the monthly ongoing payments will be $37. So once you excuse me, once you click on subscribe, it'll take you through PayPal. Once you have completed the subscription, it'll say that your first payment is 0 for 7 days. You must click on return to merchant to create your free access. So once that has done, you'll then be automatically redirected to the training area. In this quick video, I'll show you how to download the software and install it. So all you need to do is simply click on the download software. It's about 45-50 meg in size. Yeah, 47. So once your download is finished, click on the arrow, select show in folder, go to your downloads folder. You can right click and copy. Let's get rid of these. And then select paste. To paste the zip file to your desktop, you can then right click and say extract to GMB tracker v2. The software will extract. Open up the folder, double click the GMB tracker v2 underscore lock.exe file, and then you'll be asked to enter in your email address and your license key. So if you've downloaded or purchased software from me before, you know this is the same process as everything I've released. So just copy and paste your email address and your license key. Click on submit. It'll give you a prompt to say a new version of this application 4 is available. Do you want to update? Click on yes. The update will process. Once the update has completed, the software will install. The software will load, excuse me. It takes a couple of seconds the first time it loads. And that's how you download and install the GMB tracker version 2. In the next video, I will take you through on how you can add your GMB details to the database. Thanks guys.